K47 REPORT, bringing news so fast, updates, talking entertainment that lasts, educate, inform, we keep it real. K47 REPORT, oh. K47 REPORT.
Ntabwo ari ayo. Jida.
Gera?
Try
Gera?
Jaguchi.
Gera? Mwakiwose bikava mu nzira amazi.
So abantu bose bari ku ruhande
my brother. Man, you living the dream, man. What's up, my brother? How you doing, twin? This is my daughter. How you doing? Doing nice. Oh, she's everything good? She's 1.5. Oh, really? Yeah. They were telling me more about your story. Yeah, you now have your wife and all of your videos. I love that. Oh, really? Yeah.
Wow.
I love that. Oh, man. Okay, somebody help me with the room. Okay. Thank you for coming.
Wow.
Pleasure to be here, bro. Beautiful home.
We are sisters through the foundation.
Ashton, good to meet you. Wow.
All of us have been coming in different backgrounds, and some of us used to do this, and now our life is already changed.
Really? Congratulations. God feels good. What's up, brother? How you doing?
My name is Rugo.
Yeah.
I want to show you a little outside.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it. I'm ready. He said, are you
Wanna
ready?
step out?
Any space? Back up, there. That's gonna jump in the dance.
So it's ready.
Hey, they don't know about that yet. I almost told him to get straight to that one. Can you just step back a little bit?
Amen.
They need some space. You guys ready? Beautiful. Yeah.
Junda gukunda and I stay by your side. Ndabirahiriye. Reka tugende mu kiganza
sharp.
So now we're about to dance.
Yeah.
Yo, get ready, man.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Some
I like the energy.
We got some space.
Back up. Y'all got an extra jacket for me? You got an extra jacket for me?
You wanna be bad, just
Okay.
Yes, boy. Acho que é o BTS.
Oh, bro, thank you, bro. Thank you.
You know what time it is?
Yeah.
Ciddi.
What?
Guess what?
Set me up. I'm here. I needed a new fit anyway. I was deciding this fit for too long.
They give you crumbs.
We need him. What's up, live? Huh? Hey, I know how to find him. You heard what I told Dante? Oh, all right. It's all good. Wait, right here.
Now you are Rwandan.
What do you call it? Yeah, Granda? Granda?
Now you are Rwandan.
What is it?
Now you are Rwandan.
A Grandan?
Yeah.
Rwandan. Okay, cool. He took the words out of my mouth. I wanted to say that.
How do you feel to back on the roots?
Huh?
How do you feel to back on the roots?
Do I fit on the roots?
Yeah, you all live in
Oh, in the motherland.
Yeah, this is
I
our
feel
motherland.
amazing. I feel amazing. We might not go home. We were supposed to go home days ago, but we extended the trip. Let's do it.
Back up, guys.
Yeah, where?
Genda rambura amaboko.
And then do like this. Let's go this one. This one, no word. And then that's
Hey, please.
When is that? November 7th. A promise is a promise, right? So I won't give a promise just yet, but just know I'm coming back and I want to see you guys again. That'll be dope. Love. Y'all stay up.
Thank you.
How you doing? Professional. Do it. Are y'all eating?
Not yet. We're waiting for you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Perfect
You got Captain Kubo's video? The one who was showing you his arms. He's funny. That one is one of the best filmmaker and comedian as well.
Okay.
You know, he goes head to head with this one. Okay. And we got
That's why they
Babu.
separated.
Babu, one of the best journalists we have in the country. We got Kevin Montana. We got Kitoko. Kitoko, hey, can you stand up, please?
Hey, Chitoko, yeah.
Kitoko, he's the biggest
Artist, yeah.
Afro
artist, yeah.
Afro artist we have in
Oh,
our
Afro
Very
beat?
big, yeah,
Yeah,
very big.
yeah.
Oh, nice.
Literally everything we're doing, we kind of got it from him.
Yeah,
Oh, really?
Sure. Yeah, sure.
Like Kitoko, big time dude, big time dude,
done.
right? Big time dude. And all these guys, amazing people, journalists, bloggers, you know,
Media.
media people, and you know, I couldn't thank you enough for being here. This means a lot. Thanks for coming.
Blessings, man. Blessings.
It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Oh, this means a lot. Thank you so much, and we hope you enjoy the rest of the night.
Thank you. Thanks for having me. If I can use the bathroom really quick. I ain't gonna ask that in turn, but.
As the Rugo culture, when you visit someone in their house, they're the people, they're the ones to welcome you to the buffet. So if you would allow me to ask them to lead the way so they can serve yourself.
Okay.
All right.
The women can eat first.
No, that's not how it works. Here,
Oh, it's
around
different?
here, the guests first. So
Oh.
your people first, then we'll come after.
Okay, all right, no worries.
Can we wait for us and small?
Yeah, let's
Oh,
wait for
he's still
small.
in the bathroom. Okay.
No, small.
He's on the way.
outside.
He's on the way. All right.
Can we,
So,
hey, Alpha, can you get small?
All right.
Can you get small? Yeah.
So, as we're waiting for him, is he here?
I think it's here.
There he goes. Real champ.
See my brother.
Small. Yagize ibyago kubera pole sana.
Not the bag.